awesome sauce?
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? I'm going to be making something that is just going to be super awesome simply because this is what I am craving right now. And this is going to be peanut butter with chocolate chip ice cream I'm going to be making. So basically Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, but it's going to be ice cream. And we are going to be doing some heavy cream, and that is 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm going to be putting in 2/3, half and half. And the only reason why I'm doing that is I'm trying to thin this out a little bit. Now ordinarily I would be adding egg yolks to this, okay, but in this case I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be adding some just regular granulated sugar. There's 2/3 of a cup for now. The temperature I have the fire set to is low right now. Okay, I'll turn it up in just a little bit, but I do not want this to scald at all. And I'm going to be just putting in some regular creamy peanut butter. How much? Well, enough to give it the peanut butter flavor. I'm imagining about a half a cup peanut butter will probably work, because it'll dissolve and kind of permeate this cream. There's a lot of fat in it, and you'll see it's already thick, so after it freezes up, this is going to almost act as our egg yolks. That's why I'm not going to be adding egg yolks to this, okay? But as this starts heating up, this peanut butter should start kind of dissolving in this cream in half and half. And when it does, I'll know if I need to add some more peanut butter. But I suspect that this might be enough. And because this is also doesn't have egg yolks in it, we don't really have to bring this up to a temperature to cook any eggs. We just have to bring it up to a temperature enough for the peanut butter to kind of dissolve in the cream and the half and half. I'm going to put a cap full of vanilla extract in this. After this becomes emulsified in here, which it's starting to loosen up quite well, I can take a taste of it, see if it has enough peanut butter, as well as see if it has enough sugar in here. And for bonus points, if you want to, you can take an old banana and throw it inside here and kind of bust it up real good. That way you have a peanut butter and banana milkshake. Ain't nothing wrong with that. This is also melted, so now I can put it in the ice cream maker. It'll homogenize during the time that it's cooling off. And as mentioned before, we don't have to strain it because there's no egg in it. Okay, this is going to expand because it's going to have air put into it, so you don't really want to fill it up all the way. That actually might be too much. Here we go. Turn it on. Give it about an hour and a quarter. When it starts making that noise, that means that the ice cream is done, so I need to transfer this into a container, put it in the freezer ASAP. So now for the chocolate part. We are going to be making Magic Shell. Remember that shit back when we were kids? What I'm going to do here is I'm taking some coconut oil, and at room temperature you'll see that this is pretty hard stuff right here. Okay, but let's put a little bit more in there. That's probably enough. This is Karo syrup, aka corn syrup. I'll just put a little bit of that in there. Believe it or not, I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper in this. It's an Aztec trick, man. So we'll put that down inside there. Now from here you can go ahead and put some type of chocolate in. I'm going to be using semi-sweet chocolate chips. Maybe that. And at this point, I'm going to put this in the microwave on low until I can start seeing some of this stuff melt. So let's give it a test. What we'll do is we will try it with some ice cubes here. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time for it to harden. Usually you'll know because it'll kind of turn a little, it won't be as shiny. Of course it's not going to go on the same way as you would see it go on ice cream or something. There you go. This pretty much tastes like the chocolate dip that you get at Dairy Queen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put saran wrap on it. And I'm going to leave it out until it's time for me to pour this. Okay, so we got our peanut butter ice cream ready to roll. This is our homemade magic shell. In like a minute or so it'll...
No, I can see it hardening.
Oh, you're talking about the magic shell?
Oh my god, you're so weird.
Okay, well if you want to let me know if it's like a peanut butter cup.
Look at... Oh my gosh, that's impressive. Yeah, you did make it. I can see it over there. Oh, I can hear that crunch. Oh, even the ice cream is... Oh my god.
Should be like a peanut butter cup almost.
Oh my god, it does taste like a peanut butter cup. God, the ice cream has less intense butter. I mean, the peanut butter flavor. Oh my god, it's so good. It's better than a Reese's peanut butter cup. This is really good. I can't get over that magic shell. I can't believe you made that.
Yeah, it's easy.
It actually tastes better than the store-bought magic.
But I imagine that that cup of ice cream is probably 1,800 calories, probably.
Look at that, it hasn't even melted.
The secret is antifreeze. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, I was gonna say...
No, you don't put antifreeze. That's a good way to kill you.
I was saying, what are you trying to do, poison me? How come it's not melting?
One of the reasons why it's probably not melting is the high salt content that's inside the peanuts. And boy, it hasn't melted at all.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm like,
I honestly think it's because of the salt in the peanut butter.
I'm impressed because look at that. It should be melted by now.
Well, tomorrow it's going to be like hard as a rock inside the freezer. So you just have to microwave a little bit. But
I'm going to put that in the container.
yeah, it hasn't...
I know.
It hasn't melted. Shit, you might not even have to put it in the freezer. You can just leave it out all night.
See, look at that's what I'm saying. I'm like, what? Because usually, it's obviously by now it should be melted or something.
Or half of it, yeah.
Oh, at least half. Or usually you can see it dripping at the sides.
It's
still
I think it's
cold,
because of the salt. But anyway, guys, that's that. That's how I made some peanut butter ice cream with the homemade magic shell, and you can see it works. But yeah, high in calories and sodium because of all the salt in the peanut butter. So if you have heart disease or you have diabetes or something like that, make sure you don't eat this because you'll die within probably 30 minutes. Anyway, guys, that's that. Till next time. Talk to you later.